I get questions quite often about how to take a load such as a galvanized load and then turn around and just make that into a load that goes to the job site. Not necessarily a way in load tracking where you can just copy a load but you can in production control select pieces and choose to put it on a load. And we can do that by filtering for that load. So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to go to load tracking first just to show you. We've got the load, went to a galvanizer. Here's the material on the load, and you can see that it's been returned. So this can now be put on a load going to the job site. So if I want to copy these identical pieces and put them over there, let me show you how to do that. There is no copy here. There's no way we can say just copy that load and then change it from and go from shop to job site. But let me show you a way we can do that here. I'm going to go back into production control. And you'll see that we can filter for that load number down here. So I'm going to select this. So there's that load. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on a load. First thing you got to do though is we'll go back into load tracking, create that load first. So we're going to go from shop to the job site. Of course, you're going to fill out whatever appropriate information you need to there. And then we're just going to save it. So I've got a load established, but nothing's on it, right? So now, after I've selected this load number, I can go select all of those pieces. And if you go production control, modify data, you'll see an option here called load all selected. So load all selected. So now, one thing to watch for on this isn't necessarily a foolproof fix. Let's say that you see these 16 pieces right here. Let's say 8 of them had been on one truck, 8 of them had been on a different truck, and you'll see that I've got turned on a field here for what truck it's been on. But if 8 of these had been on one truck, 8 on another truck, by saying load all these on one truck, I'm not getting the exact duplicate load. It's going to try to load 16 here. So you'll have to watch for that. But let me reselect everything. I'm going to go to modify data, load all selected. I'm going to push all of that over. Say I want that on load number 2. So if in the case where say 8 of these had actually been on another load, you don't want them on there, you just change the quantity right there. But I'm going to put all that on load number 2. We're going to go add material. And now I've got an identical load going to the job site. So if we get back to load tracking now, you'll see I've got the exact same thing on both. So it's a quick way to copy that load in essence. But like I say, just the one caveat, just watch for the partial loads. But that should be able to help you to make a load quicker. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments.